Hi there, my name's Adam, I'm from TOP-TEC and we're here at ISE 2020 showing our new Synergy 4 range. So new this year we have a revision to this product where we have improved all of the cable management, much easier than it was, opened up space internally and overall a much better user experience. We've also made improvements to the interface plates. We're now printing those directly, means that the colour matching to the product is a lot closer. Also some really nice fine detail. We can put logos on there and really personalise it to the institution or university. New on this product, we've got this lovely worktop. It doesn't take handprints, keeps really clean. It's a really nice look and something a bit more stylish. And then finally, we've got this built-in screen unit. We can offer that on our tables, and again, new for this year. So that opens up and away you go. Integrated into this table, we've got cables that allow you to connect a laptop or basically bring your own device, hook up and away you go. I think that's it for this, and yeah, thank you for watching. Our website is www.top-tec, that's TEC.co.uk.